All right, guys, we've got the BEAMNOVA Mini Miter Electric Table Saw. This thing is pretty cool. If you need a little electric saw, this is going to do the trick. And we're just going to show you how it works. It's super simple. It comes assembled, but you've got this right here to lock it in place with any table you're going to use it with. So that just slides right into that slot there and it tightens down so you're able to use it. Now, you can also adjust the angle from 0 all the way to 45. And once you get there, wherever you want it to be, you just lock that in place. On top of that, you have this that will allow you to widen or narrow to lock whatever you're going to be cutting in place so it doesn't move around. Once you have it in the right spot, you're going to hit the on button. Now notice, just because I hit the on button, the saw didn't start moving. And we have the safety going, so it can't get anywhere. So it's safe to use. Now, if you want to turn it on, all you do is press this button here. So that's going to turn the saw on. And what we're going to do now is press that down, and we're going to saw through this pencil. And that's how easy it is. So if you're looking for a mini electric table saw, this thing comes assembled, ready to go out of the box. It's got pretty much everything you need to get started cutting some small angled things for your projects.